Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today I'm going to show you the 7 uses of en, and the reason it's so confusing is because most people only know 2 or 3, and I'm going to show you all of them. The first use of en people are usually familiar with. It's for feminine countries, regions and continents, and places starting with a vowel. For instance, j'habite en France. I live in France. Elles passent leurs vacances en Italie. They spend their holiday or vacations in Italy. On n'est jamais allé en Amérique du Sud. We've never been to South America. Another use of en is for transport, as in vehicles you are inside of. Je vais au travail en voiture. I drive to work. As we say in French, I go to work by car. Il voyage toujours en train. He always travels by train. Cette fois, on part en avion. This time we're flying, as in we're leaving by plane. Another use people are not familiar with is time duration. Elle a appris le français en 2 ans. She learnt French in 2 years. Je pense qu'on peut finir ce projet en 1 mois. I think we can finish this project in 1 month. Le TGV fait Paris-Lyon en 2 heures. The TGV goes from Paris to Lyon in 2 hours. Another use is with months, seasons and years. Time expressions, basically. On part en Espagne en juillet. We're going to Spain in July. Je vais toujours au bord de la mer en été. I always go to the seaside in summer. La dernière fois qu'on a skié, c'était en 1995. The last time we skied was in 1995. Another interesting use of en is with gerund forms, as in while or by doing something. Il écoute de la musique en travaillant. He listens to music while working. Il ne faut pas parler en mangeant. You mustn't talk while eating. Elle a appris l'anglais en regardant des films. She learnt English by watching films or movies. Now, the use of en that most people struggle with, it's when it replaces de plus a thing. Tu veux du gâteau? Do you want some cake? Oui, j'en veux bien un petit peu. Yes, I'd like a little bit. You see how the en replaces du gâteau, and you're essentially saying in French, I'd like a little bit of it, because the sentence isn't complete without the of it. Vous mangez des pommes? Oui, j'en mange souvent. Do you eat apples? Yes, I often eat some. Of course, in English, it probably says something like, yes, I often do, or just yes, I do. But in French, you can't do that. We don't have the yes, I do. So you'd have to say oui, or oui, j'en mange souvent. Vous avez des frères et sœurs? Non, je n'en ai pas. Or, as we say, j'en ai pas. Do you have any siblings? No, I don't have any. You see how the en replaces des frères et sœurs, and it's the any in English. Interestingly, we also use en for the method, form or substance of something. Je vais payer en espèces. I'll pay in cash. Son alliance est en or blanc. His wedding ring is in white gold. C'est mon père qui a fait cette table en bois. My father made this wooden table. And you see how I've used a very French structure here. We say, it's my father who made this wooden table. We love that structure. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the coffee link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.